This is my unboxing of the Nintendo Switch 2, along with the Donkey Kong Bananza game. Let's open it. Here we have Joy-Cons, both black and red and black and blue. So that's a futuristic look. Next, let's check out the screen. This is the screen, extremely smooth, and it can also stand on its own with a small stand to keep from falling. On the back, we can also find the Nintendo Switch 2 symbol. Next, we have other accessories, including a charger for the Nintendo Switch 2, including with a wire. We also have, for the Nintendo Switch 2, a Joy-Con holder for maybe playing Mario Kart. And in this final compartment, it looks like we have the Nintendo Switch screen holder. We have now turned on the Nintendo Switch. The screen feels wider, the controls smoother, and the buttons bigger. Let's start the setup. First, I'll select English for US, and I'll select the Americas where I live in. Next, it asks you to accept a license agreement. Let's accept. Next, we need to connect to an internet. Next, look at this. We can make the Nintendo Switch stand. Let's see it stand. Ooh, nice. Alright, next we will try and take off the Joy-Cons. You can see that the light flashes when the Joy-Con is removed. Here, let's see. On the back of this Joy-Con, there's a button to push instead of the small dot or tiny circle in the old Nintendo Switch 1. That's a convenient addition. Plus, once you put on the Joy-Con controllers back on, they will click through magnets and the light will flash back on, showing that your Joy-Con has been connected. This is the beginning of the Donkey Kong Bananza game. It features state-of-the-art sound effects, great visuals, and a fun game to play. Here, we are exploring the mining shaft with the only control Y for punch at the beginning of the game.
How's the control feel?
Extremely smooth and easy to use.
So you use two controls?
Yes, one for moving and one for using the abilities, which right now I only have punch, which punches. Thanks, Crazy Joes. That's it for my Nintendo Switch 2 unboxing for the day. I'll keep up with more content in new episodes, so see you next time.